how to share CapCut project in mobile. So all you have to do is proceed here to your CapCut application immediately. And then you have to make sure, of course, that you have updated your CapCut application. So make sure to on that. And then here on the bottom part, you'll see four different options. Click on edit. Now under edit, you will see here projects, right? Now, first is you're going to create your own cloud space. Now, in this cloud space, it is like your own home or like your own room where you can add your projects and basically just add people that you want to that you want to see your projects on. So here on under projects, you will see this cloud icon that says space. Click on that, create your space here. For example, you're trying to upload videos, then just try to upload on the plus sign here. It's either through your upload media, your folder, but for me, I just want to upload my project so that we can share projects and then edit each other's project here, or let others see my project and then let them edit my projects. Now here it's already in my all here. So as you can see, this is my space. Now here on the right side, you will see this plus sign. Click on that plus sign and then you will now be able to invite the people that you want to add in this space, and basically they will see these projects, and then if they click on that they can also edit that out, or if you want to connect your CapCut application to your mobile, to your phone, to your PC, that you so that those two devices will have the same videos. So you can also do that. So you can add them here. You can send via Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on and so forth. And basically just send them out. Now, if they actually accept those invitation, they will be added here to your space on CapCut. And basically that is how you share CapCut project in mobile. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.